What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. It is your boy Steven Scoots. I hope you are having a fantastic, awesome day. It is currently nighttime. We are at Desert Breeze Skatepark, and I have one problem, and I have to show you. Now, usually the skate park's very nice, and it's pretty much overall clean, and there's no water, right? There's no water, right? There's water right here, and it messes up this whole entire area, so I'm not even able to do a full-on line like I would like to. Like, look at that. It is like messed up, and I can't even ride fully on how I want it to, but this still makes it okay because I'm still able to ride other areas of the skate park. Yo, GTR status. So let's get into the sesh, let's get into the vlog, and I don't know exactly, but I'm gonna do some fly-out tricks first, then I'll do some lines, and then I'll go to the little street course area, and I'll see what I'm able to do over there. So everybody's speeding right now, and I'm here having fun. It's a great night. The weather is better. It's 66 right now. Last week it was in the low 20s, low 30s, and I wasn't really able to ride, so I'm back. I'm happy. I'm able to edit, man. I really missed filming for about a week, and I'm so happy I'm back being able to film, being able to ride, being able to edit. I missed it so much, and sometimes it was very overwhelming for me, but overall, I'm happy to be back. Hope you guys are happy as well, and let's get right into it. For some reason, I am not that hyped enough to ride, but I'm trying right now really hard.
Wait, du spitzt in that perfect kid in the lab with a toxic chemical, whipping it up with the devil. So whoa, back to the bando, yeah. Hey, sipping that handle, Jack Daniel, back of the room in the back of the class, taking out, stacking the hell.
That was not successful. Look who made it though. Ashley and Julian. And if you guys didn't know, I known Ashley ever since like elementary school. Yeah. And then I known Julian since like middle school.
Yeah, middle school. Yeah. Oh shit, this nigga. There you go. Hey.
Mini manual pad time. Well, no, actually, no, it's not mini. We have the small one right here. We have the medium size, and we have the bigger one as well. But we're gonna do this. We're gonna do the medium size right now. I almost fell. It is honestly getting windy, and I'm messing up. I'm trying to do a bar twist to double foot manual and then regular whip in to this little box area, and it's really not working so well for me because the wind's picking up, and I really hate it. I also took my jacket off because it was getting really hot and the weather's even better, so I don't really honestly need a jacket, but you know what I mean. So I'm gonna move over and go to the little part that's right here. Alright, now we're gonna sweep over what? We're gonna swap over to the street spot and ride because I wanna try some things on there that's gonna be okay. Oh my.
Like and subscribe. No,
me shit, I raised the kid. Raised the truth, 100 proof. Studio got hella green.
Woo! Alright, that was fun, that was lit. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for tuning in for today's vlog. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Steven Scoots out. Make sure to roll the outro, stay positive, and deuces.
Taking trips to Medellin. Oh, damn, making that money, I'm coming right back. I spend it all. I gotta admit, I am the shit. I got it all. I'm so involved. Jealous, I've been flown. Upside and uptown. In Rome, I've been there. Running streets, I'm not scared. On the moon, yeah, I met you there. Saw the dude, but was not prepared.